Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to properly use paste special in Excel. It covers step by step for each and every options. First option is all. Simply selecting all the cells, all, it gives entire things as it is. There is no change at all. Only formula. Only formula in the case we simply I just copy this total where the formula is available. I just copy, then I paste here. Simply use only formula. So only I will get formula, nothing else. Value. Same process, I just copy here and I just use paste special with value. So I will get values. You want to use only format, nothing else. The same format I want to use it. Right click, only format. Only format I will get it. For getting only comments, just copy this thing. Only I want comments. Except borders. Simply I just copy this one. I don't want any borders. In that case, simply copying and use without borders. This type of column width I want. I just copy and I want to keep the column width here. Then simply I just go with column width. Column width will be available after using this special function. Next one is formulas and number formats. Simply what I will do, I just copy this one. Then I come back here, right click, special paste. Number format. Option is, this is the validation. So I want to copy the same validation. Simply copy and I want paste here. Simply right click, click on validation, click OK. I will get same validation and this can be pasted anywhere. Want only conditional formatting, just copy this one, you can use it here. How to use operation none. Simply I put 10 and I want to use that operation of 10. Copy, paste special, click it, I put none and click OK. So it automatically replaces with number 10. If I select range, then automatically it will give everything will be replaced with 10. Here I can use multiply option. Simply select range, then multiply, then I can use for add also, and divide. I can go for subtract also. Okay. The last option is transpose. For each and every functions, shortcuts are there. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.